What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the cargo inspection area key on the new airport map. Let's do it. First of all, make your way across the flight center all the way on the southeast side of the map. Then you'll want to make your way basically to over here. There's a couple of entrances on the west side here, as well as here, a door at the bottom, and I think a door at the top. Either way, make your way over to this section right here. You'll see this small little room where we can use this key. There should be an entrance right there, which is this one here. Once we use the key, we gain access, and inside of the room, we've got a couple of things. Starting off on the far left side, we've got a safe here, which we can immediately search, and in my case, this electronic safe was pretty worthwhile. Then, in the rest of the room, we've got a little bit of loose loot on this shelf over here. We've got a suitcase, which in my case was not worth it, and a military computer right next to it. That's okay, I'll take that. And on the top shelf, it's spawned a toolkit as well as a cement bag. Yeah, nothing too crazy in this room, it's super small, but if you have the key, it's worthwhile visiting, especially because it's so far away from the rest of the map. You'll be relatively safe coming here. But yeah, that's basically that. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, my sweet Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.